Hey everybody, so I've got some 3-in-1 oil RV care. This is a rubber seal conditioner, a UV shield. Basically what this is here for is it protects that rubber seal on your slide outs. You can also spray it on your slide outs gearbox underneath the bigger ones here. This one here doesn't have a gearbox on the bottom. It's got these gears here, but it's really good for protecting the rubber gasket here. So let's see if I can do this without falling down. That's what you want to do. You want to get this completely coat the entire rubber on here and wipe it off. You don't want a whole lot of leftover residue on there. You just want to get a good coat on it. You want to wipe it off, make sure that that it's coated well. So let's see if we can do the other side without falling down too. I'm gonna hit these gears here real quick too, just to give them some lubrication, because these things can dry out too. And we actually had an issue where I didn't condition the gasket here. My slide out was sticking, and so we couldn't use our wardrobe in there. All our clothes were locked up for an entire weekend, and we could only use what I could reach with a coat hanger by opening up the far door just enough to stick my arm in. So 3-in-1 oil here. This is really good stuff, and with the long tube on here, you can shoot a long distance, and you can really get a very concentrated spray. You can also turn that down and you have a wider spray here. See, there's a nozzle here as well too, so you can cover a lot more space with the tube down. So there you have it, 3-in-1. Hope you got something out of this video. Have yourselves a great day, everybody. Cheers, y'all.